Warm welcome to Tiny Tourist. If you're planning a family trip to Sweden, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing the top places that are perfect for visiting with kids. First up, we have Gröna Lund in Stockholm. This amusement park is packed with thrilling rides, carnival games, and food stalls. Your kids will love the roller coasters, and you can take a scenic break by the beautiful waterfront. Plus, the park has a fantastic atmosphere, especially during the summer. Gothenburg is a treasure chest for kids, offering attractions like Liseberg Amusement Park, Universium, a science center, and local cafes serving delicious Swedish cinnamon buns. Children can enjoy roller coasters, shark encounters, and robot play. Next on our list we have Swedish Lapland, in the northwest of Sweden, is by far the best place to see the northern lights in Sweden. It is located within both the Arctic Circle and the Auroral Zone, making the area an ideal spot to see the lights with your kids. From snowball fights to chasing the northern lights, every moment is pure magic. Our next stop is Gripsholm Castle in Mariefred. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. The kids will adore exploring the grounds and the castle's history, plus there are beautiful picnic spots right by the lake. It's a perfect blend of history and fun. Take a trip to Öland. This island offers beautiful beaches, wildlife, and fun educational spots like the Trollskogen, or Troll Forest. Kids will love exploring the magical tree formations. And let's not forget the chance to see the adorable seal colonies. Coming now, it's time for winter fun at our ski resort. Whether your kids are seasoned skiers or new to the slopes, our has lessons for all ages and levels. After a long day, why not warm up with some hot cocoa by the fire? Next on our list is Malmö's Folkets Park, which offers year-round fun. With playgrounds, seasonal concerts, and beautiful gardens, this spot guarantees a fun day for the whole family. And it's a perfect place to unwind after sightseeing. Now we have, the biking trails in Gotland are a must. Rent some bikes and explore the stunning landscapes, cozy villages, and of course, the iconic medieval architecture. What's better than making memories on two wheels? As a final stop we have, the Swedish Museum of Natural History truly captivates curious minds. From dinosaurs to planetarium shows, your kids will be entertained and educated simultaneously. Formulate your next family quiz night based on what they learn here. So, there you have it, amazing places to visit in Sweden with your kids. From historical sites to nature trails, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel tips, and share your Swedish adventures in the comments below. See you on our next family adventure.